Hello dear English learners. Let's practice English with me. Today's story, The Forgotten Homework. Lena rushed into class just as the bell rang. She dropped into her seat, heart still racing from sprinting across campus. "All right, everyone," Mr. Patel said. "Pass your homework forward." Lena froze. Homework. She had spent all night studying for a math quiz and completely forgot about the English assignment. Her stomach sank as papers rustled around her. When the stack reached her desk, she swallowed hard. Mr. Patel," she said quietly, "I forgot to do mine." He looked at her for a moment. Then, surprisingly, he smiled. "Thank you for being honest. You can turn it in tomorrow." Relief flooded through her. She wasn't perfect, but she was learning about school, responsibility, and most importantly, herself. That afternoon, she sat in the library, actually excited to finish it this time. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like the video, comment your favorite part, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. See you the next video.